Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I will show a tutorial for making a graduation bouquet. This bouquet can be used as a gift for loved ones. So guys, follow the steps.
Step 1. Prepare snack and straws that have been rolled and skewered. Rub the styrofoam using cardboard on the edges. Step 2. Stick the snack and straw on the styrofoam. Prepare decoration from cellophane paper and tissue paper with interesting shape. Step 3. Write the fold of cellophane paper on the front and back using isolation until the entire part is covered. Step 4. If everything is neatly closed, add ribbon.